Dear student, good morning to all. This is the second online class for 3rd standard mathematics. I hope you are all done the homework given in the previous class. Are you done, students? Okay. Now we recall what are the things we learned in the previous class. What did you learn in the previous class? In the previous class we learned about place values. Say the place values. Ones is denoted as O, tens is denoted as T, hundreds is denoted as H, thousand is denoted as TH. Then next what we learn? Different ways of representing the number. What are the different ways of representing number? Standard form, word form and extended form. These are the three different ways of representing the number. Okay, are you clear about that one? Next we see about how we are counting the ones, tens and hundreds. Now how to see the picture. So see here only one cube like shape is there, no? This one cube indicate only one ones. Okay, so this indicate ones like that. In this rod like shape is there, no? In this rod 10 1 cubes combined together and form a 110. Already we learned the formula, no? 110 equal to 10 ones. So same method. This like 1 cube. This is ones, only 1 cube. So like that 10 cubes combined together to form one rod shape. This indicate 110. So in this picture, how many tens are there? Two rod shapes are there, no? Each one indicates 1 tens. This one indicates 1 ones. Okay. So in this one, how many tens are there? 2 tens are there. So like that rod shape, one sheet like structure is there, no? See this one? In this sheet, 10 this type of rods combined together to form 100. Already we learned the formula, no? 100 equal to 10 cents. Like that. So this type of 10 rods combined together to form a sheet like structure. So this indicates 100. Okay. Now see the picture. How to fill in the blanks. Okay. See the dash hundreds, dash tens and dash ones. Okay. You have to fill. How will you fill? So see that one. How many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens? 2 tens and 1 ones. Now you have to fill in the blanks. So 100. Only one sheet is there, no? So you have to write 1 before 100. How many tens? 2 tens. So you have to write 2 before tens place. Then 1 ones. So you have to write 1. Okay, are you clear about that one? Next we see about represent the following numbers on the abacus. Already last class we see. So now we see the number is given. How to draw the abacus for the number. What number is given? 605. So first you have to draw the abacus like that. So 3 strings are there. You have to draw 3 strings. This line is called strings. Below that one box you have to write place value. First one, ones for O denotes ones, T tens, H 100. Now you have to write the number in below the place value. What number in ones place? 5. So you have to write 5 below ones place. What number in tens place? 0. So you have to write 0 below the tens place. What number in 100 place? 6. So you have to write 6 below the 100 place. Now have to draw the beads for the number. So what number is in the ones place? 5. So you have to draw 5 balls in the ones place string. Okay. How to draw like this. 5 balls you have to draw in the ones place string. Next in tens place, what number is there? 0. 0 means nothing. So no need to draw bead balls. So you have to leave it simply. So 0 indicate no need to draw balls. Next one, hundreds. 100, what number is there? 6. So you have to draw 6 balls in the hundreds. This is the method of representing the number in the abacus. Next one we see about the exercise sums. First one, ring the number with 1 in the ones place. Below that one, some numbers are given. Now, below that one, some numbers are given. You have to observe these numbers and you have to circle the number. Those numbers have 1 in the ones place. The number 1 in the ones place. So, for that one, first what you have to do? You have to write the place value for each number. So, starting from ones, tens, 100. Like that, for each and every number, you have to write the place value. Next one, you have to observe, you have to see in which number the number 1 in the ones place. See the first number. What number in this? First number was 653. In 653, what number in ones place? 3. So, we need only 1 in the ones place. That number only you have to circle. So, if you want to circle this number, no. Why? Because in this number 3 in the ones place. Next, so you have to leave this one. Next, see the next number. What's the number? 891. So in 891, what number in ones place? 1. So you want to circle? Yes, you want to circle this number because the number 1 in the ones place. So you have to circle this number. Next, see the next number. What number? 206. So what number in ones place? 6. You want to circle? No. Why? Because in this number 6 in the ones place. You have to circle only 1 in the one place. That which number contain only 1 in the ones place. எந்த நம்பரில் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 1 இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பர் மட்டும்தான் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் see the next number 421. See that one, what number in ones place? 1. So you have to circle this number. Like that you have to next number 418. See that one, what number in ones place? 8. So if you want to circle, no, because 8 in the ones place, you have to leave it. Next, see the next number 391. So what number in ones place? 1. So you want to circle this number. Next one 413. So what number in ones place? 3. So if you want to circle, no, because 3 in the ones place. Next, see the next number 883. You want to circle this one? No, because 3 in the ones place. Next one 931. So what number in ones place? 1. So you have to circle this number. So you have to observe what are the numbers given below. You have to see the ones place. So which number contain 1 in that ones place, that number you have to circle. So like that same method, see the second sum, ring the number with 6 in the tens place. Now you have to see the tens place only. First sum you have to see the ones place. Same method in the second sum you have to see the tens place number. Okay, in the tens place 6 is that number only you have to circle. So see the first number 314. What number in tens place? 1. So in this number in tens place, what number is there? 1. So if you want to circle, no. So you have to circle only 6 in the tens place. So you have to leave it and observe the next number. Next number what? 369. In 369, what number in tens place? 6. So you have to circle this number. Then next number 517. In tens place what number is there? 1. So you have to leave it. No need to circle. Then next number 468. In 468 what number in tens place? 6. So you have to circle this number. Next number 964. In 964 what number in tens place? 6. So you have to circle this number. Then next one. What number? 606. In 606 what number in tens place? 0. So no need to circle this number. Next one 796. In 796 what number in tens place? 9. So no need to circle this number. Next one 160. So what number in tens place? 6. So you have to circle this number. Next one 562. In 562 what number in tens place? 6. So you have to circle this number. Like that you have to observe all the sum numbers and you have to circle what is the place value given. You have to circle according to the number. I hope, thank you children. I hope you all understand how to do the home assignment regularly. So now today's homework is do the sums in the self practice. First, second and third sum. First sum, second sum and third sum. Thank you students.